Now to Asante Kotoko, Bismarck, 2 matches in a yabo, 6 maximum points in a at stake, and then Asante Kotoko any 1 out of 6 into Zanka a exercise now the mass student or class
go marry
and kapoto. I had a family argument in FE. The kind. Say team be start this season. No about 2 matches na nyoma nkoyi. Na o call it for action. Say coach ni be failure. Coach ni failure. Coach ni more former.
95.1.
Mimi who ni say too early. Say Korokobebo how many matches? Yebo 18 club league, right?
Yeah.
Dobebo 34 matches.
34 matches.
Aka 32 points. 32 matches. Koroko we need nyina otumije league no. Matches aka no still every team e Ghana league no etumije league no man yeye. Every team so to relegation e man yeye. Enti we Asante Kotoko supporter anyoma mienu na also hwe. Yabo 2 matches 6 points Kotoko 1. A hard win. We caliber of team Asante Kotoko are building over the years. I team in Nana. Or a powerhouse in our game here in Ghana. Now, performance of the team, saying any city here. Obi Bismarck, they are playing so well, creating decent chances, but to me share every matches. It means the team is progressing, but there is a problem that they need to fix.
Okay.
Which is goal scoring. One. Another aspect of it is say Kotoko now or Mobono. Are they following a certain pattern? Are they doing well? And as a performance near mania, and no matter no matter drop points. That is the question. 2 games, first game against Out of Lions. The second game against Babiani Gold Stars. Now let's look at these 2 teams. Even if Asante Kotoko have a fair idea, the technical team of Asante Kotoko have a fair idea about Bando Out of Lions, because the team came from Division 1, did a lot of recruitment, changed the face of the team going into the Premier League. How do they play? Entirely new to the technical team of Asante Kotoko. Maybe secure footages of their games in the last Division 1 games, Oberhe Ebiano Master model because of the new additions now. They are account for the Premier League. Enti all 40 Asante Kotoko be in that game and said that they want to send Kotoko home at the Babaya Stadium and then they made the result goalless na a year problem. Now, Baby Any Gold Stars one favorite grounds, Dance Park, right? It's difficult for almost every team to pick points there, but I think last season Kotoko nya good results Now, how did Asante Kotoko play? I think it was a hurler from goalkeeper Asari and a cover that goal back on a buyer Kotoko that needed a year pointer or more a Kankulusu game. And see, Bismarck, or Kotoko game or more bono, or more ball progressive football, or more ball game according to a certain pattern. And this is another question you need to ask. Obisubeka say a new as a system. A new players, and as a new set of players, and a coach Prosper Ogumaba Beton. It is too early to start judging us until because say they are not going to do well. We are Asante supporter. This is what I have for you. Who Kotoko team now? Performance 2 games in my opinion, nanye. And then I hear consent I was easy. But say nanka Kotoko 2 games now wabono. Kotoko team creating some decent chances. Bought some possessive football be according to Ogum tactics and no bit team no potential when they gel together or makes me and that needed result for the Kotoko family. Ain't a problem kakra, but maybe when they say too early, say best start criticizing coach Prosper Ogum. But when say a team like Asante Kotoko, a team like Accra Hearts of Oak, Real Madrid, teams like I say when you get to these clubs, they don't know what is called patience. They need instant results, and regardless of tax car, if you can see on the team, so they should prepare a good team in a year or 2 seasons. One way to compete well in Ghana and Africa at large. ABI know that coach team or they build it for that particular line. was so kai who say Kotoko no coach, as another supporters, no, one nim say 1 month, 2-year project, 3-year project. What benefit almost any free as supporters and they say, after the Bismarck, share no Makofia coach Srina Danfo, say, woman couldn't say down one, ask about 2-2, Madame for be for phone frame, Sremi, Chassis, has of all Kolusu away now or treat me, but I know has to say one friend. The only benefit as supporters in free money say, Umbenya bragging right when they meet their colleague, they can also show off. That is the benefit the supporters get in supporting their team. So Bismarck, too early there, but it's Kotoko playing that good football. It give you the hope, glimpses of hope. Say team no bet me in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Any another question? But no, I think it's too early for the supporters to be much worried. But because they are Asante Kotoko, they need to start winning.